The life insurance industry will come under fresh scrutiny at the Banking Royal Commission next week. Consumer groups accuse the industry of selling policies that aren't fit for purpose and are very difficult to claim on. More from our Consumer Affairs reporter, Amy Bainbridge.
Amanda Dunn moved her young family to country Victoria for a fresh start after the death of her husband, Roger.
The last thing he'd said to me was thank you for being such a beautiful wife and mother to my children. And I kind of knew then that that was it.
Roger had a congenital heart condition, but he was healthy until 2013 when he was diagnosed with pulmonary hypertension.
He was very ill. He could hardly walk. He had to walk with oxygen.
The family had a MetLife insurance policy through their mortgage broker for almost a decade, but Roger's claim for total permanent disability, or TPD, was denied.
When we first claimed, it was rejected based on that he wasn't sick enough.
In 2016, Roger died at the age of 42. Amanda's claim on his life insurance was knocked back. MetLife said his health problems were pre-existing, despite a cardiologist's report saying pulmonary hypertension was a separate diagnosis.
When you're selling a policy of insurance, it's not a box of cereal, and you have to make sure that that policy is fit for purpose.
MetLife wouldn't comment on the Dunn's case, but told the ABC the customer needs to consider the terms and conditions of the policy and whether it is appropriate for their needs. The corporate watchdog ASIC has released a report critical of the life insurance industry and says poor sales practices have led to customers struggling to understand exactly what cover they're paying for. Consumer groups want change too.
Much clearer disclosure as to what exactly a consumer has purchased. Current product disclosure statements can run up to 100 pages.
The next round of Royal Commission hearings begins on Monday. Amy Bainbridge, ABC News.